हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू वंदनास ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम करने वाले हैं इंग्लिश कुमार भारती स्टैंडर्ड नाइन्थ इसका रिलायबल सीरीज का 1.3 हैव यू एवर सीन के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। 1.3 हैव यू एवर सीन। सो फर्स्ट दे हैव गिवन इज अबाउट द पोयम, then new words and phrases are given. Warming up, words that have the same spelling but differ in meaning when used in different contexts are called homographs. Example दिया है. Then they have asked us think of a 5 homographs and list them below. Then write 2 sentences of your own to bring out the differences in meaning. So first one they have given us here plot. Next is wing. Then wing, bark, horse, then find other examples of pun with the help of your parents and teacher. From a popular book of poems, the internet, write down 3-4 examples of interrogation used in poetry. Then English workshop. Write 2 lines from this poem which you find most humorous. Justify your choice. Then grammar and vocabulary. From each line in the poem, pick out the words that is a homograph. Write its meaning in the context of the phrase and used in the poem. Then write the other meaning implied in the question. So first, bed, horse, foot, head. They have given us one meaning. Here is other meaning. Then second stanza में eye, wing, ribs, trunk. So these are the meanings. Then third stanza, teeth, hands, plot, bank. Both the meanings are given here. Then find from the poem 3 examples of each. First is interrogation, then pun, then personification, alliteration, then read the following sentences carefully, then fill in the blanks using appropriate words from the brackets to make puns. So words are in the bracket here. These are the sentences. And here are the answers. Then comprehension, read the extract carefully and do the activities. Give 2 meanings of the word given. Horse, trunk, bed, wing. Then what is the poet trying to tell us in this poem? Poetic device, recognize the figures of speech. Appreciation of the poem, write an appreciation of the poem considering the following points. So, have you ever seen is a poem written by an anonymous poet. This poem includes several homographs. Homographs are words that have the same spelling but differ in meaning when used in different contexts. A unique way to explain the concept of homographs. The poem used the rhyme scheme AABB, written in humorous tone. This poem is at once educative and entertaining. The poet has used different figures of speech like interrogation, pun, personification, and alliteration. The main figures of speech used in the poem is pun. Beautiful use of figures of speech pun is seen in this line. Can the garden plot be deep and dark? As the word plot has two different meanings, which are an evil or wicked plan or a small area of the garden. It's a very impressive poem. It has been beautifully illustrated how difficult language concepts can be explained through poems. बच्चों इसी के साथ में हमने पोएम 1.3 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स फिनिश किए. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम मिलेंगे 1.4 के साथ. तब तक टेक केयर एंड कीप वॉचिंग वंदनास ट्यूटोरियल. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.